L-ewwel edizzjoni tal-Valletta Film Festival ġabet reazzjonijiet pożittivi minn persuni ta' fama internazzjonali. Kien hemm min innota l-potenzjal enormi li l-festival jista' jħalli fuq Malta. Fosthom id-direttur tal-films ta' fama internazzjonali Roland Jovi li jinsab f'pajjiżna bħala wieħed mill-kapijiet ta' ġurija li se tiġġudika l-films li qed jintwerew fl-ewwel edizzjoni tal-Valletta Film Festival. Jovi jistqar li sbuħija u l-istorja tal-Belt Valletta hija ambjent ideali biex tagħti pjattaforma b'saħħitha lil festival fuq livell internazzjonali.
What I see is the potential for what this festival could be, and I think it could do something really wonderful for Malta. And I think if it's worked at and really taken seriously, I don't see why, given what Malta has in terms of the city and, you know, its kind of tourist facilities, why this couldn't become a premier festival.
Mal-ħsibijiet ta' Roland Jovi naqdu membri oħra tal-ġurija li wkoll jinsabu Malta bħad direttur kreattiv James Mulligan.
It won't take long, I believe, for the Valletta Film Festival to become, first of all, of regional importance in this part of the Mediterranean. People will love to come here and enjoy all of the fabulous things this great city has to offer.
Direttur ieħor ta' fama internazzjonali Dan Boyd irrefera għal karatteristiċi uniċi tal-Valletta Film Festival dan meta mqabbel mal-esperjenzi li kellu f'pajjiżi oħra.
The standard of films that have been chosen to show to us is very high. I've been to Sundance, this year I've been to Berlin, and I go to other film festivals with the work I make. And I would say that the Malta selection is as good as any selection I've been to.
Għal min għadu ma esperjenzax il-Belt Valletta mibdula f'ċinema, il-Valletta Film Festival jintemm fil-21 ta' Ġunju. Jovi tant kien impressjonat bl-ira li jagħmel appell lill-Gvern.
But I'd say to the government here, look, as a friend of Malta now and a friend of this festival, get behind it, guys, and really start making this work and thinking what's the most original way to make a language for this film festival that's different to others.